This one after you have it blossom gels on and you cure it. If you have tacky layers, you can remove them. If not, then just remove that cute sticker, whatever colors you like. It doesn't have to be necessary like have to be one colors or what. I'm picking from a different ones because they are so freaking stunning, cute. It's really colorful. Let's see if she's going that direction. It's okay. Maybe here. The smaller one. Hi Debbie. Hi Maya. Hi Janae. We want to see if... Hi PJ. PJS Nails. Hi Mary. Let's see, make sure I don't want to not say hi to everyone. Hello. Foxy, Janae. Hey Brad. Thanks so much for tuning in. Brad, we doing well. How are you? Great. Let me see. I just want to make sure to say hi to everyone. It's going to be fun today. Super easy, simple, but it's so much fun. Hi, Marie. Marie Nails. Des Excelsior, Beauty of Egypt. Okay, so hello. Just want to say hello, hi to everyone. Great. Okay, Christine. Christy. Did I say it right? Make sure. Oh, no Chan for foil? Are you crazy?
No.
Look, no Chan for foil. And someone behind the scene messing around with this. He fire. Look, no Chan for foil. And they're trying to, okay, I'm doing it. Okay, maybe I should using this to do some Diamond Dust Pixie on it. Okay, we can bail you and get your back. We're gonna help you with that. Okay, but you have to wait in line to get that fix because you mess it up yourself. You know it better than that.
Yeah.
You shouldn't do that without my authorization.
Remember, say hi.
Oh. Hi, Corina. Hi, Tammy. Is Joe sticker? Yes. Chantella is, all the stickers is on sale for 15% off on Diamond Dust Pixie. So I'm going to share you how we're doing all cool things. Like all stickers. Anything you wanted was a special promotion right now for Mother's Day. So I'm so excited. All right, so I have so many of them you know, I have everything is lined up for my preparation for all of you, but then when I start seeing all of you here, I'm getting really excited and I have a lot that I can able to, not because to changing is a plan, it's just something that is really cute and I really want to share with you. Look at this, it's super cute. I can't help it, you know, like we'll have plan and then when I start getting more designs for it and I said, oh my god, they are so stunning. This one is one of my favorites as well because there's a variety of colors and also it has like some leaves and it's fun in there and some flowers, so then you can have a good combinations of it if you're doing a press on for the clients or as well as doing it on yourself or start getting stock up for the coming back to the salons. I think it's such a great ways and it has some cool spring stuff. Okay, summer, spring. All right, I think I'll get more and more the little. The reason I keep browsing around because I'm looking for the tiny little butterflies to fit right there because I'm gonna do is the Diamond Dust Pixie and then crystals placement along with that. So that's why I just need to get really tiny butterflies. Like some of this tiny one. but I want half of the butterflies. This is really stunning. Oh, this one is cute. This one has the butterflies and that one's already. So it's really cool. Oh, that's one maybe? Maybe it's a good one right there. Try to show it. Cool. All right. I think it's good. There's so many we're gonna share with you today. And it's gonna be one of the fun things. I am going to go ahead and using Condensed. I use Condensed glue gels. And twin tip brush. Knock everything off. Blend it nicely. You don't have to use a lot because they're so thick density. And you don't have to use so much out of it. And then I am going to using no white top coat. Because then when you, this is a really important step, okay? So then for instance, if, remember sometimes I forget it with crystal placement, you can forget that and you go back before you place another ones. But if you're doing it, forget on a Diamond Dust Pixie, you don't want to put it on the top of Diamond Dust Pixie because guess what? It's gonna really ruin the whole entire the concept of your Diamond Dust Pixie. And also it's cover all the shines and the sparkle and the cut from your. Can you move this one? It's so slippery and I can't do that. Okay. Great. Floating on the top of condensed glue gels, unclear condensed glue gels. And then so now you can place your crystal the way you want it. I would do this crystal. There's so many nails that we're gonna do. I need maybe just the AB. Oh, I can do that. Do I have right there? You can do any colors you want. So I will get the colors. I would say the colors will. I might just do along with that because I still want to have effects of that cute flowers underneath. This is like, we did it is blossom gels on the other day. I did a few of them to show. So if you miss it, you can always be watching them. There's so many beads right there. I don't think remove it right there. I think this one. There you go. Hope everyone have a great Monday. So you can do all this crystal placement without the beads, the metal beads, or you can have it on. This is depend, and if your clients really like it and they want you to put it on, they can. And And the best way to do it, to keep them really, really close together. Hello Instagram. It's just in case any of you just tuned in, or if you're first time tuning in, welcome to our live tutorial brought to you by Glitz Accessory and such. So it's nice, really pretty without the metal beads, but it even looks so much like a jewelry. Can Instagram see okay?
Mm-hmm.
Great. You can leave it like this, done. Perfect. If you don't, now I want to put some Diamond Dust Pixie on. I'm going to probably put the Clear's AB on. I have so many of them right in front of me. The pink one is cute though. Should I do pink one? Or should I do Clear's one? Maybe do half and half so you get an idea of it. I'm gonna do half of the whites Clear AB, which is number 0901. Oh, I like that. Inspirations from all of my favorite nail tech. Sarah, Vicky, they did that. Beautiful. Tap. And I'm gonna move that. I will using another tray, but before that, give it just a tap. And then just make sure you pour it back in so that you can able to use it in the futures. Oh, I'm gonna drop that off. Looks so cute though. Can't see the clear butterflies, but looks different. It's different to me. I think it's maybe the first time I'm doing it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I really like it. All right, next one. I'm using a same. This is the 0902. Oh, 3, I think. And their comments really cool is the ombre diamond dust pixie. Just a little bit hints, a little bit pinker. Can't really tell. It's soft pink. I really like it. I did this before, and also in the class I show a lot of this, how you're doing it ombre diamond dust pixie as well. I think we did it some. Make sure that you don't let them hang off on the edges. Tap them. Just a little fur right there. I'm gonna pick it up. That looks nice. And stay nice. Of course you feel the texture of it. And then if you want to, like, some of them will actually stay on the crystals, you want to just gently adjusting them before you cure them. That'll be the best, because when you cure, they are not gonna move anywhere. Great. Okay, now you cure for 60 seconds. Totally different. It's really hard. Why is Instagram can't see it?